Lecture 1. What is NotebookLM? Hello and welcome to our first lecture in the course NotebookLM Made Simple. Today we'll answer a very basic but very important question. What is NotebookLM? We're going to look at what it actually does, why it exists, and what makes it different from your regular AI tools or search engines. Whether you're writing a paper, studying for exams, or trying to make sense of your reading material, NotebookLM might just become your favorite tool this semester. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what NotebookLM is and what it's designed for. Learn the core features and how they relate to student needs. Learn how NotebookLM fits into research, writing, and studying. See a basic example of how it can be used in a practical setting. What is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is an experimental AI tool created by Google. The LM stands for Language Model, but don't worry about the technical side. What matters is this: NotebookLM lets you upload your documents like PDFs, notes, or readings, and then ask questions directly based on that content. It's like having an AI that reads your study material for you, and then helps explain it, summarize it, or pull out important points, but only from the stuff you give it. That's the key difference. You're not searching the internet, you're working inside your own material. What makes it useful? Think about your real workload. Example 1. Organizing class readings. Let's say you have a 30-page PDF reading for sociology class. It's dense, full of theory, and hard to get through in one sitting. You upload it to NotebookLM and ask, summarize the author's argument in simple terms. You now have a clear overview before even diving into the reading, helping you spot the important parts faster when you do read it. Example 2. Reviewing lecture notes on a laptop. Suppose you are reviewing Google Docs from a group project or notes you took in class. You upload them to NotebookLM and type, what are the 3 main points we discussed about renewable energy? NotebookLM scans the content and gives you a direct, structured response, saving you from rereading everything manually. Example 3. Preparing for a quiz. Before a quiz, you upload your notes and ask, can you quiz me on this content? Or, what terms or concepts should I remember from this document? Now, it's not just about reading, you're interacting with your notes in a way that helps you retain more. Key features of NotebookLM. Document uploads. You can add your own PDFs, Google Docs, or pasted text. It's your notebook, your content. AI-powered Q&A. You can ask specific questions like, what is the main argument in this article? Or list key dates mentioned. Summaries and clarifications. NotebookLM can simplify complex text, define terms, or give you a chapter overview. Organized sources. Everything you upload stays grouped and labeled, making it easier to reference. Private and focused. It doesn't pull random information from the internet. It only works with what you provide, which means fewer distractions and more trust in the answers. Why it matters to you. Whether you're prepping for finals, writing a paper, or just trying to stay on top of weekly readings, NotebookLM helps you cut through the noise. It saves time, boosts comprehension, and gives you a sense of control over your material. You don't need to be a tech savvy or know any coding. If you have ever used Google Docs, you're more than ready to use NotebookLM.